how to pay Verizon bill by phone. To pay your Verizon bill by phone, you can follow these steps. First of all, call hash 768 from your Verizon mobile phone, or you can call 800-922-0204 from any phone. After calling, you will be guided through an automated system where you can follow the voice prompts to make your payment. Then you can pay using debit card, credit card, or by transferring funds directly from your bank account. And finally, once you have selected your payment method, follow the prompts to enter your information and confirm the payment. Verizon also offers an option to set up automatic payments if you'd like a more hands-off approach in the future. By following these steps, you can easily pay Verizon bill by phone.